Anyway, today I just didn't blush anyhow because today on top another episode of the ChookMouthGeng.
Nothing serious, just
Just
vibes.
vibes. Thank
That's
you for
how
that
we
one.
roll.
My name still remain A to the D to the A. And that fine girl, God. You my beauty, they stress me.
Let's continue now.
And again, I get Papi spending with me.
In dollars, you know what, Magbo. That's how we roll.
so
Head of
pleased
Women
that-
Affairs.
I never see any
Moving
dollars.
the women
I
ministry
never say any
forward.
dollars since I know you.
That's how
Since
we
I
know.
know you. I never say anyone.
It's audio dollars
And then
now.
we get two big fish.
Aye,
God!
Are you a fisherman? Oh, yeah, fisherwoman.
You go catch because I get by my side. She full chair, she balance. As they say, I know be say, Ash push baby.
Okay, the only Ash money for Naija.
Oh,
Ash
yeah.
will see herself.
Oh,
Ash
yeah.
with the vibes. Now me day here. Nothing
Yeah,
happen.
Okay, everybody move backwards because I get opposite me like this. The Malian president. Mandibu, how you dey?
I know small.
Bust my head. Okay, Lagos. Today go dey very, very interesting because if you see the kind of people who get on top ChookMouthGeng today, you're gonna know say we no come here to play at all. But before I go drop the topic, we'll go yarn. Person talk something. I see I'm on top social media. Mandy and Ash. I think call you Ash just for
Of
sure.
course.
Okay,
Of course.
great. Mandy and Ash. I see something. I don't know if I see that post. Where one man talk say, if you don't sleep with more than 5 boys, men or girls, you no get the right to call your reproductive organ private. Say it belong to Ministry of Tourism.
It's a
And
public
if you don't
something now.
sleep with more than 10, maybe to 13 to 15 boys, men, women, girls, your reproductive organ now belong to the United Nations.
It's a public something now.
It can't bring me to the topic where I want to make we yarn today. And the topic now, how long is too long for sex? Now the topic where I want to talk. How long is too long for sex? And I want me to just sharply help me answer this one before we go begin to negotiate them. Mandy, how long is too long for sex?
How long is too long for sex? I don't really
Like
understand.
for example now, if you're a man day and I want to do the
If
do.
me and I did, we did now.
I feel talk small.
Of course you go talk, I will come to
Okay,
you, baby.
okay.
I will come to you, baby.
Oh, why not?
How long is too long for sex? For example, he don't claim you now. How long you feel say, if you do and reach, you go say, it's trying a man he be.
As I am, I know they tire.
I beg, cheers to that, cheers to that, baby, cheers. You know they tire me.
At all.
So like 24 hours.
Till whenever. Like,
Hey.
I don't know.
No, now your natural energy be any answers follow.
That's my energy.
Natural
Child.
energy 24 hours.
Even if she tired, I go vulcanize her. You get the
Papi
point.
spending, how long is too long for sex for you?
Vulcanize her every time.
How long is too long for you?
For me, basically, make I know add any just 2 hours only too long for me.
2 hours.
2 hours.
Okay, make I help you break it down. From the foreplay to the sex itself. 2 hours.
Foreplay 30
Why they
minutes.
lick clips? They talk to me.
Make
talk
it sexy.
straight.
And that's sex we'll talk about. So make it
Okay.
sexy. Foreplay, I would run foreplay package for like 30 minutes, depending on the girl now. And then for the main sex, I feel do like say 20 minutes. So on the average, 50 minutes on the okay for me.
Who go ask?
But Paris, I don't finish work now.
Baby.
Hey.
How long is too long for sex for you?
Now man beans are there with here. I be hey. I hear they pay me. Should I hear they pay me? Guy. Once the past 5 minutes, Oga comes and beg.
I don't understand.
Once the past 5 minutes, Oga
don't
comes
go
down
kill
from my
herself
body.
now.
Are you cooking noodles?
You want drill hole for our body?
understand.
Is it WhatsApp
Ah.
status?
No be riot now.
Is it Insta story?
No be war.
Oh, them men
Supposed to
work
be
Every
short.
So which make we understand say everybody get that natural energy.
Okay.
So
That's
for her
too
now,
small.
5 minutes too
That's
small.
Exactly.
Make
5
I
minutes.
explain like no vessel like actual knack
Actual penetration, sex.
Nakademus.
You know meant to pass highest 10 minutes if you too love and
Lie.
lie.
No. Okay, wait, Mandy, why if you saying a lie?
I can't enjoy it.
Uh-huh.
No.
That's
Ten.
what we're still together.
Yes.
Not 10 seconds, 10 minutes.
Once
So
you are done, we start
But
again.
wait, this thing
Lord
wey
of
Mandy
Jesus.
talk now, it can't bring me to another point. Because of this thing where you talk, I can't feel say now it make men they won't prove a point every time they deal with a woman. Because now, Ash baby talk say 5 minutes for her, they okay. Now that's the farthest. If there's a word like that, she can go. But for you now, they talk say if you stop, continue again.
yeah.
If you stop, continue, and you say if you go 24 hours. So with all these things now make men they try to prove a point now. Because when they don't top woman, they go one knock. Even when they die there, their thing don't stretch. They still won't do.
I must feel it. Like I can't have sex without enjoying
I
it.
will please
So
you.
5
You
minutes
feel
too
me?
small.
It's very, very small. Like I can't feel anything.
No verse. No, I beg, no, 5 seconds, man. 5
I
minutes.
know 5 minutes. I know.
What do they do after 5 minutes?
I won't break them down for us, but make them understand.
Explain.
Break them down, Mandy.
10 minutes no do me.
Okay.
I can't enjoy it. I don't feel enjoy am.
Okay.
If now they don't finish, I go start again.
You no go rest.
It will now, like few minutes later, few minutes later.
But you must shall continue.
Yes,
No
you must
pausing.
do- no.
So in a day like this, if they fire, they go.
If me and
they
if me
move
and
to
the guy
fire.
dey, what one would they do this
Fire,
time now?
ting,
Go they
ting.
do am steady.
Anyway,
Speechless for
speechless. I'm like, wow, though. Okay.
Okay, I can hear you.
My guy, left for me, foreplay are the main thing. You understand? Use your tongue, use your finger,
Licking
put
of
your
the
head
place.
inside. Make me scream, make me vibrate. Let me tear that bedspread. Then we can now start the 5 minutes game.
Let's go.
Okay.
I'm on your own.
Okay, but Mandy, make I ask you this question now. You know what? I always start with you because now you they talk say you like them on the go like 24 hours.
Yeah.
Anybody don't meet your standard. Any remarkable moment, you say, this particular guy, you try. You don't need to call the person name. Any guy don't meet your standard.
You know, say me, I be Malian. Anybody wey won't knock me, say go be Malian.
Child.
And Malian, they knock anything. You understand? Malian ogbokokon, one
yeah.
do idokudo. So, I no fit date gentle guy now. Gentle guy no fit knock me. Now, person with the sha. So you understand what they talk. Person with the sha, we be saying get power well, fi and do me.
Okay, any person don't meet your own standard of, you say 20 minutes, Abi?
She can meet my standard.
No, I'm not sure, because you said 20 minutes and she said she fit go 24 hours.
And to be honest, people don't meet my standard very well. Plenty of people, even yourself, you don't try them, but over to her.
Yeah, but make I also ask you, anybody don't meet your standard of 5 minutes?
I mean, when I say 5 minutes, I don't mean say it must be 5 minutes. I don't date people who be say we don't knock like 10, 15, 20, you know. But from that like 10, like after 10 minutes, in my head I'm like, can you freaking come and get the fuck out of my body? You know? But like 5 minutes is like, it's gonna be short, sweet, intense, and boom, it just happens.
Quick question, Quick
Yeah.
question.
Yeah.
You like quick, straight to the point, bam.
Yeah.
Come down for my body.
Yes.
You don't meet any guy we won't go beyond the way where your body carry him.
Yes.
And then you for your body, you don't know say by the time your mind they tell you say you don't do, your body say go to react to the feeling
Yes.
of. And the guy they tell you say no baby, I
Yes.
still wanna fire.
I want to prove a point.
After that 10, 15 minutes there, guy, the pum pum not they dry already. It's already peppering me. Just calm down, done. You go see from my body. Say, I don't do. I'm done. Without me saying it, you go no. You get. Because me, my knacking no be like, I don't like fuck like marathon like not I'm not a Malian kind
Slow
of
and
I like
steady.
making love. I like to feel the chemistry. I like it to be intense, to be sweet, like to feel it in my nerves. Like I'm not even.
Let's say you be very passionate somebody.
Exactly. I'm a very emotional and passionate person, so I like to like actually feel it deep inside of me.
Because there is an opposite of what an opposite.
What's an opposite? Exactly.
Mandy, how you dey like your own? Now slow and steady, I be.
Water.
Both.
Yeah.
But which one carry more marks if we want squam? Okay, another question. Oh my God, see here. Anytime, oh God. Oh, today, Nagoya word. Papi, make I ask you.
Okay, cool.
Where be the craziest place where you don't knock? Craziest place. You know, so I've been asked person this question, and surprisingly, the person tell me say inside keke, and up to now, I still they wonder how two people feel knock inside keke. And I never see paint the picture.
There's
for
a
my
bumper
head.
ride, baby.
So you, where be the craziest place where you don't knock?
This is why I won't talk an embarrassment. But to be honest,
And then catch you.
I don't. No, they don't catch me.
Okay, where?
I don't run foreplay and attempt to knock inside cinema before.
Cinema. Other people they there.
For the back, yes now.
Back seats.
Back seats. Just me and my baby. We just there,
Back seats.
Then the lads walk.
Okay.
You know, see that place, nobody go catch you. It is cold. Everybody
They
focus
dark.
on top of the movie where they watch.
Okay.
So we just start our foreplay. They run 1 or 2. The Lord's ministry, and at the end of the day, we do all right.
Okay, Mandy,
So
where?
cinema for me.
Inside the car.
Car.
Yes.
Car.
Normal smoker. I mean, keke.
No, car, moto.
Motor
Yes.
car. The guy
But
will come, they bounce.
It was
I can't-
rush. So
Rush,
Bounce
sharp,
it,
quickie
Yes,
things.
yes.
As usual.
Okay, well, for me, I don't knock for cinema. I don't knock for car because I actually prefer it out of the box. I don't like bed vibes, So, but craziest, if you ask me, I'll say the stairs. Did they want to knock for stairs that time? That's like when you climb stairs, finish that upstairs. So they do them quickie, doggy.
That last part you take,
Yeah,
you don't climb
exactly. So you have to rush it so we can both come.
Oh, damn no, Coco.
Okay, still on you. I'm waiting they turn you on and waiting they turn you off. Because, I remember one time when I tell one guy, say my forehead, they turn me on. I don't know what to make me tell. And the stupid guy, for some reason, like to touch my forehead.
Oh, it maybe now where you get up. Oh, damn no.
But seriously, waiting they turn you on and turn you off.
Okay, so they turn me on. Now, okay, my nipples, just touch my nipples softly. Don't do it like some DJ Dix thing. No, calm down.
That's not plumbing work.
Don't injure me, I beg. So, do it softly, and then we have
Why you they turn on?
No. I'm listening to
Should they
this.
explain? They do. Why you they turn on?
Okay, passionate, sweet kisses. I love kissing a lot, and then my nipples, and then my thighs, in between my thighs. Just touch it softly and slowly, baby.
Okay, Mandy. Malia President. How you be? Waiting they turn you on. I go still come back to waiting they turn you off. But waiting they turn you on right now. Not be like right now, like during sex.
It can happen anytime. This is a Malian.
Probably when you're kissing me and you touch my hair, like this way.
Ooh.
Yes.
Okay, just that.
For me, the neck, the ear, and the nipples, just for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ear, neck, and nipples.
Nipples,
Why
yeah.
did he follow each other like this?
It's a
On a straight line.
On a straight line. We're not a curve. Very straight.
Waiting they turn you off now.
To be honest, if a girl yawn, when would they knock? That's in the
But
turn
that's
me
in
off.
a natural something now.
If he yawn, when would they knock? If it turn me off.
You can't be like, say, they do well.
Oh, me come like say she don't tire. Yawning, they turn me
You
off.
cannot yawn again.
No yawn. No go yawn.
I don't understand.
Don't carry that one come.
So if I want to, I'll go choke on my
Swallow
yawn.
the yawning.
Hey, Mandy, I beg, help me until they turn you off.
Bad. This
Mouth
odor.
odor.
Yes.
We're supposed to
I
turn
love
everybody
it
on.
when the guy smells nice. Not that I want to move close to you, then
That's
I said they turn you off.
Thank you, baby.
Like Mandy said, I don't like bad breath. I beg, bad breath, bad smell. Anyway, I could never even say yes or even reply a guy that will be smelling bad because that's like Jesus. No.
But if you don't know, like what if you don't know?
I will
some
know.
guys look nice.
On the first DM, on the first chat, they're still asking me, so we don't waste our time chatting in vain.
So you ask him, what,
Do you
wait,
smell
wait,
bad? What's your height? What's your height?
Okay, you be height person.
Yeah, I
too.
like tall. I like them tall.
I've lost this race. I can't look
Okay,
it.
why you say tall? So you know if you go out with guy where you top us.
No, at all. I mean, I'm not trying to. By God's grace, I cannot go out with the guy. I'm telling
By God's grace.
Say,
What of you, Mandy?
You know?
Guy where you top us. You know, she won't think like, I know fit. No matter how you be, it no fit happen.
I know fit. It go headache.
You are no fit ask you now because
I don't understand.
everybody top us.
Hello. Oga.
Okay.
We go check our height. I top us on the kiss.
You know top us man the kids.
And then ashes on heels as well.
No,
Ah,
so
now hear them
Ash na
tall.
tall girl. You know, it's serious for this side we talk.
Oh, there's
Yeah.
tall side and short side.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm short of words.
Okay, another question. Now when I want drop, and this one, it is quite important because I want to ask most ladies. Normally, inside bedroom or whichever place when I find myself, the knacking process, they like to just wait, make the guy be the person we go initiate, show body, give the green light. If the guy don't give the green light, then because they hungry them to do the do, but they will just fold hand, they look, they wait. Okay, do something, move body now.
Yeah.
But now, Ash, Now you they give green light first, or you dey wait make
Now
the
you
guy.
initiate.
Well, I understand. Of course, I understand the question. So basically, as I did swear, me when I did in love or like I really like a guy, really love a guy. Anyhow, I don't need to wait for the guy. You from kissing, we go enter anywhere we are. I must kiss and touch, and from there.
Or you be PDA kind of person. You like public display of affection.
I don't even like it. I love public display of affection. Like I kiss, I touch, I do everything anywhere.
I will start from here now.
Everywhere.
It's outside.
So I no just swear. What of you, Mandy? You dey like to be the person wey go start, or you go wait make the guy start? Why I know the answer to this question?
I'm always
Ready.
Wait. I'm always ready. So,
Wait, so naturally you're always wet. I really want us as
I'm-
today like you.
I'm ready anywhere. Like
Anywhere, any day.
even if you are not interested, I'll force you. You must do it.
that's
To make
it.
me happy. I must be happy now.
Okay, and you also like, of course, I know say you go like the public display of affection
Anyway,
for public.
If we're on the boat cruise, we will do anywhere. I
Yeah.
don't care. We are
Like-
dating now.
What if people they you like bossy your mouth? What if people they there? You no mind?
I don't care.
People they there.
No, we can't do it in front of people. But
Obviously.
Okay.
there's just some places
Okay.
that
Private.
you know.
Private corners.
Yeah.
What of you? Waiting, how you think say sex supposed to? How you think say people supposed to enjoy their sex life? If they say make you drop advice now for people where they complain about their sex life, how you feel say they supposed to enjoy their sex life? Mandy, I'll start with you.
Okay, for instance, me, I said I love it when a guy do it non-stop.
Okay.
You know, we have she said 5 minutes. If you want to have a partner, you know, okay, this kind of partner I'm having. But how long can you do this? I'm always this, I'm always that. Like
make-
you have
make
to
the
know,
discuss.
yes,
Know
yes.
your partner,
You
know
will
your
know the
partner
kind of
and know
person
what
you're having
wants,
something
yeah.
with now. Okay, this person, he doesn't
You know
want
that
it
the person
this time.
fit your energy.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you are not, then I'll go. Because I must be happy. I can't be okay.
So you know
want
if
me to
you
date
endure, you know if you endure.
No, because I will definitely shit.
Oh,
You can't do what I want,
shit,
so I don't want to shit. So
Okay.
so,
Actually, make I ask you.
How if you enjoy sex as
And
people.
improve your sex life too.
Okay, first of all, men need to understand, say, penetration is not the main thing.
Wow.
You just come in and holding a girl and putting your stuff inside. It's not the main thing. Freaking make her wet, make her want you, make her crave for it. You know, touch her, do all the sucking, all the kissing, all the touching. It's way too important. That should be the beginning before the penetration. Please, it's very important because some men don't know this, you know.
Exactly.
And women, as for women, don't be like a log of wood on the bed. Actually be active, at least mourn, be sexy about it. Try, make moves, you know, mourn. Do it like even if you're not enjoying, just try manage for that moment.
Pretend.
And be very vocal. Be vocal. You don't have to be quiet like oh, you don't have to be like oh,
Wait till you go talk about people with the fake
be
orgasm.
vocal. All of us, I can't generalize, but some of us don't fake orgasm once or twice because the person know they really get on right, and we just need to get off that.
That stage.
Just
Yeah,
like
that's
do
that
make
guy.
a corner, just fake
that
one.
kind of
Maybe
thing. So
because the person have money and I just want the person
To be
money,
feeling
and I want the
pleased.
person to just feel like he's doing the right thing.
okay.
So I'll just have to fake it.
You just fake it.
Yeah.
Fake it till you make it.
okay, well, I've explained my own. Whenever I fake it, it's probably because the person's not getting it right, and we
And
cannot
you just
keep doing
want
this.
stand
Yeah,
up from that
Exactly,
point.
exactly.
Okay, over to you, Papi. How you say people go feel as improve and
Improve.
enjoy their sex life?
Exercise is good.
Okay.
Also eating fruits,
Okay.
banana and the likes, and also drinking a lot of water can help you during sex. So that's it basically. And also, if you did take juice they replenish energy. Because me and Mandikis they on the same page now. To stop and continue, stop and continue.
You know
we
they
need a lot of juice
No,
now.
you know they. You said
So
20
we-
minutes. She said 24 hours. She said 5
No.
minutes.
30 minutes for foreplay, 20 minutes for the knacking.
Okay.
That's 50 minutes.
That is 1 hour. You don't even need to calculate. It's
No,
1
it's
hour.
24.
You write 23 hours.
Voila, be like Mandikis sex.
You know they tire.
You know they tire and vulcanize.
You know they finish.
Okay, I tell you, I saying I'm going to enjoy today's episode of ChookMouthGeng, and that's why we will take rap and more because we know we'll keep them for too long. Very, very busy and important people. No easy to drag them come here.
I dey
And
tell
then
you.
so when you go watch them, if you go watch them, when you watch them, you go tell me, you go tell us the team where you fall under. If it's in Mandy, 24 hours.
Back to back is a hit. Woto.
She know they tire. You be team Ash baby. I don't give her a new name. Slow and steady. do the needful.
I get our V.
Yes.
Foreplay it.
Foreplay.
It doesn't have to be slow and steady all the time. From slow to fast to slow, but passionate and sweet.
What's be your time frame again?
5-10 minutes max.
5-10 minutes
Bam.
max.
Oh, very close.
You be team papi spending
$.
1 hour,
Bere.
30 minutes foreplay,
So we can come pray. There's
20 minutes. Ask God forgiveness of sin.
Yeah, ask
20
for forgiveness
minutes
of sin. Yeah.
penetration.
Yeah.
Which team you fall under?
But-
how long is too long for sex? Now the topic.
you know talk your own.
Me? You God, look me now by the length of my hair. And that's how we take end to the episode of ChookMouthGeng. We love you. I love you, Ash baby.
Love you
I love you,
too.
man.
I
Thank
love
you very much for
you.
coming. Papi, I got you in my corner always.
Yes.
All right.